right on the Flat Rate Master, and well, let's take a look at what's going on around the shop. All right, Eric's back, and he's got a Chevy Cruze with a coolant flange leak. Imagine that. You know, big surprise. All right, Eric also has this Chrysler 300 with the old 2.7. It's got a misfire that's under the intake, so he's getting approval to remove the intake and, you know, check the rest of the engine, but probably cut plugs and coils. I got a Jeep Grand Cherokee, water pump was leaking, radiator was leaking. So unfortunately, as you can see down there, there's the old radiator. My new radiator came in with the tab for the condenser broken off, so it didn't get done. I got 2 hubs to install in one of our service writers, Nanny's car, and then I've got a compressor, condenser, and all the goodies on a Ford Taurus. Well, let's just say Aaron's had kind of a rough week. Acura came in with a headlight out. Yeah, it's turning into a mess. The harness was bad, the ballast was bad, the bulb was bad, and well, the underhood fuse box is also bad. When he started diagnosing it, one headlight worked, and then all of a sudden, no headlights worked. So unfortunately, we had to diagnose it needing a underhood fuse box. Billy is the Ford EcoBoost time and chain water pump guru around here. This is had a stretch timing chain, so he's doing cams and chains and water pump and a decarb on it as well. This is a previous wreck from a little while ago. He's got a Tahoe over there with the oil consumption issue, and did the updates to it. We'll see how it does, but chances are he's either going to need to put an engine in it or re-ring it. So fun. James has this Nissan. He is resealing the upper and lower oil pans. So, you know, fun. Craig is over here fixing coolant leaks on a Lincoln Navigator. Heater hoses are leaking and the water pump was leaking. So he's fixing that. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.